Hey, it's Zach with Goliath, and today I'm going to show you how to use the map on the properties table. The first thing you're going to notice is there's a search this area button. So I have a lot of people that what we'll do is zoom in on the place that we want and just search this area. So I'm going to go check out Chattanooga. The first thing I'm going to do is show you how to use the search this area button. So I'm going to zoom in towards Chattanooga and then we can work from there. Now that we're here, I really enjoy right in this bottom left-hand side area. And so I'm going to click search this area. This is going to pull all the properties that are currently located on your map, and you can always adjust the area or change things up as you want it. The first thing on the right-hand side is the zoom in. Obviously, this is going to zoom in onto the map wherever you're at, or zoom out. Easy peasy. The next thing is fit to results. Let's say I zoomed in a little too far. If you click this button, what it's going to allow you to do is the map will zoom out to fit all of the results that are currently on the screen. Second, maybe you're having trouble figuring out where you actually are on the map and you just want to zoom in onto your location. You can click this button and it'll actually ask for permission to get your location and then zoom in on the map there. Let me show you. Boom, zoomed in exactly in the general area that I'm in, and I can continue looking for properties that way. The next tool is going to be the polygon tool. What this is going to allow you to do is a couple of different things. You can drag to draw a circle or any type of shape that you want just to find properties in that area, or click dots and create whatever shape that you want to in that area just to find properties within that space. This trash can icon deletes the current location that you're trying to filter by. We have a lot of land buyers and commercial building buyers that are looking to utilize a measurement tool. And so, for instance, let's see, this looks like a commercial building. We're able to click on the measure distance tool and figure out how much road frontage does this property actually have. Ooh, 158 feet. If you ever want to see the satellite view of the map, all you have to do is click on this button. It will switch everything to a satellite view so you can see exactly what you're dealing with. If you have any need to see the census tract, you can click here and it actually divides everything up based on the districts. If you want to know if a property is in a flood zone, you can click here and see a general idea of all the flood zones, the 100-year and 500-year flood zone. If you want to find properties that are located in opportunity zones, you can click on this filter. And then the final option is to click the map for full screen. And that's how to use the map on Goliath. If you have any other questions, feel free to keep watching our videos and learn a ton more.